Viair 40000 and 47400 PRV automatic portable compressor kit. 12 volt 150 PSI max working pressure. Engine must be running during use. 2.3 CFM free flow at sign 0 psi. Power cord. 8 air hose. 60-12 volt. Powered direct to the car battery with alligator clamps. Duty cycle 33% at sign 100 PSI Max. Working pressure 150 PSI Max. Amp draw 30 amps tire inflation gun with 130 PSI Inline Gauge. Comes with a tire inflation gun and gauge, built-in pressure switch, air hose, RV accessories and a carrying case. Great for adjusting tire pressure on RVs and trailers. Power cord length 8 feet, primary air hose length 30 feet, extension air hose length 30 feet. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.